Push up.
Marine Corps.
Nope, only one. We'll try that one again. Push up.
Marine Corps.
We got more than that. Let's go. Push up.
Marine Corps.
I'll take it for now. Exercise. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
3.
1.
If it is too heavy for you, you don't have to use the 25. You can use the 10 pound or just the bar itself. You want you to come over, pick up the bar. We're going to hold it just like this right in front of us, away from our face. We're going to squat, push, squat, and push, just like that. When you're letting the weight down,
Don't let it slam. Let it fall gently, all right? Moving right along. Next station is going to be that deltoid raise. Who can tell me where their deltoids are? Not you, Lavik. Not you. There you go, Sanford. All right. You're gonna raise up here. I want you to get a nice squatting position. Again, you have your weight options here, okay? If that's too heavy for you, go with this one. The next station is going to be a biceps, triceps, and rear delt raise. Now this might not be enough weight for some of you, like the studs out here, like this guy, that guy right there, and even you, Sanford. I'm just kidding, I love you. You're going right here. Bicep curls, hammer curls, tricep extensions, rear delt raise. You can mix it up. Do sets of 10 on each, and then go back and start over again. Take a break, do a set of 20, put them down, grab and do it again. This is a very light weight, okay? It's not gonna defeat you. Right here, you can do flutter kicks. You can do regular crunches like we do for IST. You can do V-ups. Or you can do my favorite Russian twist. Thank sets aren't done. Move right along.
So that was one tough workout.
Oh yeah, that was just the start of it. Those are simple things that you can do at home, and we give these guys some workouts that they can take with them. Because like I said, it shouldn't be to where I'm always here having to challenge them. At some point they have to challenge themselves. So we like to challenge them here, give them an idea of what their workouts will be like in the Marine Corps so that they'll be ready and prepared.